So I got this blow dryer in. I've already been using it for a few weeks now, and I wanted to leave a review. So it comes with this diffuser and the straight one. And so that's what it looks like without it. And then these are magnetic. So they're really easy to put on. You just stick it on there. Turn that. And then so you've got your cool option. You've got 3 different options right here, and then you've got ion. And you just turn those over. So here's the first one. It's the low one. And then of course you got your top one. I always leave the ion on. It's supposed to be healthier for your hair, so I leave that one on. I have naturally curly hair, so this does work really well. It makes my curls kind of like cuter because I'm able to maintain them while it's drying. A lot of the times I use this one though to try to maintain the curls down. But it is perfect. I love it. The one that I was using is right here. It's a good one too. I just prefer this one because this one is more lightweight and the heat on it is absolutely perfect. Like, it's not too hot that it's going to damage your hair. It's not, you know, cold where it doesn't get the job done. It really doesn't take me that long, and I have a head full of hair. Like, it doesn't look like it, but my hair is super thick, and this hair dryer definitely tackles my hair every day. So definitely recommend this. If you're needing a new blow dryer, this is the one right here. Love, love, love it. Have a good day.
I just wanted to do this quick video review of this Ann Betty hair dryer that I recently purchased. It is such a nice product, and I just wanted everyone to see it because when I first got it, this is the box that it comes in, and I thought to myself, how could there be a diffuser in there? But there was. This is what came in individually plastic wrapped. But I want to show you how easily, first of all, it's super lightweight, the product. It has a cool shot button, 2 settings, and then high, low. I don't know if this one might be just be air. And then it has an ion button, on or off. And then I just want you to see how it easily, the attachments snap into place. And there you have it. I could take that off. I could do it with one hand, but oh. And it twists and turns. So this is a great purchase, and I'm super glad that I got it. I got it on sale, and my favorite part of it is that it's super lightweight for drying your hair. Makes it a breeze.
Just tap it once. Yeah. Okay.
I got this hair dryer and it's awesome. It has different buttons with different speeds, and it also has hot air and cold air, and I can use it depending on how I want to style my hair.